Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyanka and today it's gonna be a self-care plus get my life together day. So yeah, let's begin the day. So I've been meaning to wash my hair because this looks really oily and greasy. So before that I think I'll oil my hair, and this is the oil that I'm using. It's the Individual Champy oil. I love this oil. I've used it so much. It smells really nice. So I've oiled my hair and this is how champu I look, but it's fine, it's gonna be all okay. So next thing, I'm gonna apply this Ozone ka detan pack. Yes, it's the detan pack of Ozone. It works really well for my skin, and so I'm gonna apply this next. ये पैक बहुत ही थिन कंसिस्टेंसी का है. इट्स लाइक क्रीम. तो जब तक ये फेस पैक मेरे फेस में ड्राई होगा एंड इट विल वर्क फॉर माई फेस, तब तक आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क टू कैच अपॉन. सो लेट्स गेट दैट डन. So my room is literally a mess. I've been procrastinating on this for a while. बहुत ज़्यादा सामान है यहाँ. I need to clear all of this. So I'm going to get that done first, and then थोड़ा और सामान है which I need to pack for an upcoming trip. So my face pack is pretty much dried now, but I have a lot of work क्योंकि अभी बस मैंने ये कैबिनेट साफ़ करे हैं. But then I have to clean the room as well. काफ़ी सारा जाले हुए हैं पूरे रूम में, so I need to do that. तो पहले वो कर लेते हैं and then I need to take a shower. ये सब ऑयल हटाना है, फेस पैक हटाना है. I need to take a deep really nice shower. So ऐसे नुक्स एंड कॉर्नर्स में कहीं कहीं पे छोटे छोटे से जाले हुए हैं. Oopsie. और दीवार में कहीं कहीं पे like over there in the corner, then some right here, oops, some right here, ये फॉल सीलिंग और जो सीलिंग है उसके बीच में, and some over there also. So I just washed my face. काफ़ी सही लग रहा है, काफ़ी टैन भी निकल गया है. I just need to shave also because थोड़ा बाल जैसे आ गए हैं, थोड़ा पीछ फंस है. So I'll do that. Now here's everything I need to shave my face. Some fresh aloe vera from the pot. So this one's a face razor, this one's eyebrow razor, this is also an eyebrow razor. Then I also have a scissor to trim my eyebrows. So चलो अब थोड़ा शेव कर लेते हैं. Looks, it really sounds funny कि शेव कर लेते हैं, but better than going to salon. So first thing is that I'm going to apply this on my face. Let's So I'm gonna use the big razor and start trimming. And this is all the peach fuzz that comes out. Kafi sara. So I'm just gonna finish doing my face and then I'll see you. So I have shaved my face, pura eyebrows and my upper lips and chin, सब कुछ हो गया. I haven't applied anything because अभी freshly shaved है तो ऐसा कुछ लगाते नहीं है. I just applied some aloe vera and I let that absorb. फिर I just rinsed my face with normal water. I have a few more chores to do. I need to take care of my plants. They're not in a good condition, so I need to do that. Let's do that and then after that I'll take a shower. So these are how my plants look at the moment. And this one right here has completely dried off, so wo karna hai. So let's begin. So a lot of work has been done and I'm so tired. काफ़ी सारा काम जो I wasn't even meaning to do. I look like a mess, but I'm so glad. When my room looks really nice and my balcony looks really organized. I've actually repotted a few plants, थोड़ा weeds निकाले, मिट्टी चेंज करी, थोड़ा अच्छा सा सुंदर बालकनी बनाया. And in my room also थोड़ा बहुत सफाई का काम. I just need to water the plants now. Still have a few things to do before I take a bath. I know I've been saying that I need to shower, but I really need to finish the work first. So finally my work here is done and I'm finally gonna take a shower. So yeah, I'll see you later. Sorry, this is how I eat with my hands. बिल्कुल सब कुछ एक प्लेट में डाल के. I know this might disgust a few of the people, but please don't mind. I'm just gonna finish my meal and I'll see you soon. So I'm finally done with my lunch. बहुत ही tasty था. Probably because I've been working really hard today. So खाना बहुत ही अच्छा था. And I enjoyed every bite of it. So I'm just going to unwind now. तो थक गई हूँ मैं. My shoulders and everything is hurting. I don't really work out. I don't do anything. So I'm gonna unwind for some time, rest, watch something probably, and maybe take a nap. I don't know. Thinking about it. Hi, it's 6 o'clock and I just woke up from a nap. And मैं सुबह से थक गई काम कर करके. And now when I am up again, फिर the room is in a mess because of this person right here. आते ही इसने फटाफट कपड़े सारे चेयर पे फेंके अपने, जो मैं सुबह से थक गई थी. इधर उधर सारा समेट के. This guy doesn't listen. This one, yeah. But now chalo, I'm just gonna get ready, get changed and head out for a walk because I think I really need some movement. So yeah, see you. तो अभी हम वॉक कर रहे हैं टेंट एरिया में और काफ़ी लोग इधर वॉक करने आते हैं सुबह शाम. तो हाँ, हमने अभी 1-1.5 किलोमीटर वॉक कर लिया और अब हम घर की तरफ वापस जा रहे हैं. बहुत डार्क हो गया है अभी तो. विंटर्स में काफ़ी जल्दी डार्क हो जाता है. वॉक से वापस आ गई हूँ. अभी हो रहा है 7:40, somewhere around 7:40 and बहुत ठंडा था बाहर. I am still wearing like my inner. I changed into my night suit, but then I'm still wearing my inner क्योंकि बहुत ठंडा हो रहा था बाहर. My head शायद ढंग से सूखा नहीं था, but it feels very cold for now. I know I didn't want to blow dry my hair today. I just wanted to let it dry on its own, but it feels very cold somehow. But anyway, it's gonna be dinner time soon, so let's go cook something for dinner. So it's 9:30 right now, और dinner भी हो गया है. So I'm just planning on amping up the room a little because it's Christmas season. It's already 13th today and ज़्यादा दिन बचे नहीं हैं. So, and also I'll be leaving soon for the trip. So I was thinking just little amp up कर सकते हैं थोड़ा रूम को ताकि looks more festive and more appropriate for the season. So my tree is pretty small. So I'm just gonna maybe place it here. Let's put that. So my Christmas decor is up. I've set the tree और थोड़ा बहुत knickknacks इधर उधर. So this is how it looks like. इधर छोटा सा tree है. Christmas stockings and right there. ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. But this is how it is. So yeah, that was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. My Christmas decor is up, all my work is done. Thank you for sticking by, and I hope to see you next time. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.